It's the first month, and you know exactly what that means. I slipped the back, just so easier for me. Right. I'm gonna look at the card list real quick. Let's see how good they did this month. Okay. First is a Gig Micro Tool that retails for $5.89. Let's get that. Don't let the mystery of this go in here because I don't want to spoil it for myself. Yeah. Update your device. I don't care. Anyway, this is a Gig Micro Tool. It's this one. Pretty cool. It has an S and arrow, and that's a Gig, I believe. I don't know. How would this work? I don't know. I'm probably gonna use it anyway. I'm gonna put on something. Anyway, so yeah. Next is the 20-piece tip card kit. Whoa, that's a. I did hear a. I was like, heck. Okay. Let's see what type of cards you get in here. I'm gonna take the time to do it too. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, I got confused by the first card. Okay, so you get a Morse code card, number 1. Oh, are they numbered? Wow, I think they're numbered. Yeah, they're numbered, cool. Has like Morse code on it. And like, numbers and letters for Morse code. That's actually really important. Oh, this is really nice. Wait, there's something on the back too. Oh god, I hate when things go like that. It is receiving. It's basically a Morse code card. So yeah, let's. Then we have Trapping Figure 4 small game, and then a Pitfall to large game. Then we have Communication, which is actually nice. Then we have Sign Language, which is really nice, actually. That's really nice. Ooh, then we have Bypassing a Lock. Wow. It says paper pens and blah blah blah. And the back has like, oh no, like, I guess it's just. Then we have, okay, this is gonna be like hard to see, but Map Tool, number 1. Okay, that's clear. Then we have Drake and Shaw Lure, and jug line fishing. I think these would be really good for survival situations, to be honest. Weaving nets. There's that. Then we have distilling water, and then water purification. Yeah, this is definitely, I can just kind of tell this is going to be in my kit. Fishing traps. There's another cord. Wow. There's another cord stuck to that. Another one of these small ones. And improvising hooks. I like that these are numbered. A protractor and ruler. Y'all can't see that for nothing unless I do that. That's pretty cool. Snare trap variants. Here. Pretty cool. Basic shelter tarp. Natural. Venomous or not, snakes. Don't know the accuracy of that one. Solar water disinfection water, and then think how to do a filter. That's pretty nice. 15 is tracking wildlife, their poop. I'm not going to show you the rest of that card because it's tracking wildlife, regular, feet. Sun clock. Food preservation, making a smoker, and making jerky. Which literally, you can pretty much make jerky out of whatever. I prefer mushrooms because it's way easier to do. Okay, vehicles, number 19, how to jump a car, and how to siphon gas on the back. And then finally, foraging for food, harvesting and eating tree bark. Now, people don't realize that, yeah, tree bark is edible. Oh god, oh god. All these, please get out, please get out. Oh my god, please, oh jeez. Okay, so yeah, don't ever put the cards in this as you do whatever, because that will not work. Yeah, these are all I can go in my pocket. That retails for a whopping $24.99. Then we have the tip cards and stuff. So basically 22 tip cards. Since any kind of fishing stuff, so this won't be the regular thing. Okay, the snares. T3, or tip card T3 snares. And the cooking method, earth oven. So yeah, both of those retail for $185. Yeah, I say they upped their game. I mean, shoot, a whole kit of like the information cards. I mean, come on, that's nice. I personally think. So yeah. Anyway. No, I should actually do. I should just put these in here too. So these like that. And just put this like this. To make it. So yeah, I gotta say, I'm impressed with this month. Huh. I actually got this on Friday. I was just opening it until today before the video. Just so y'all wouldn't have to go, because I don't have it on me right now anyway. Actually, yes I do. Anyway, peace, y'all. I hope the air didn't like screw it up, but anyway, peace.